my goodness. Oh my goodness. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey, hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. I'm excited. I'm excited. Y'all know when I'm excited, it's a good wig review. That's a hint. That'd be a hint. Welcome to all my new subbies. I see all y'all new people coming on in here, and welcome to the team. Well, I know y'all probably be like, one day she gives silent, one day she be up, one day she be down. That's called life, girl. It's called life. Anyway, today we are doing a wig review on this Outre KIMORA wig. It's real cute, real simple, really easy to the point. Before we get started, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up for me, and also hit that subscribe button and hit that bell and turn it all the way up. All the way up so you can get notified when I upload. Let's go ahead and talk about this wig. I'll talk to you guys in the outro. Hey, what's up guys? We're gonna do a talk through, so I'm gonna try to make this quick. So I have this Outre lace front KIMORA wig. I have the color 1B. So I picked this wig up right after I did my Kamiyah review, guys. And I figured that this wig will kind of be like the, I don't want to say downgrade to Kamiyah, but just kind of a more affordable option, because that one was from the Melted Hairline series. This one is just a straight lace part. It's basically like cut the wig and put her on your head. So I picked this one up because it kind of looked the same, but it didn't. And I was like, okay, this looks pretty super beginner friendly. So let's just go ahead and see what she's looking like. Fresh out the pack, this is what she's looking like. She's pretty long. She has these nice like layers right here in the front. The texture feels good. I like this texture. Really soft, really nice. This is a nice texture. So this lace is more of that olivey lace. It's definitely not gonna match my skin. It's not a full frontal, guys, but because of the cast that it might give and all of that, I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of powder on that lace and right here in the middle, because if you don't do that, it just kind of shows. We don't want all of that shown, okay? You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and use this Even Tint Spray. I wasn't gonna use this spray because my dark brown ran out and this is the medium brown. So I was like, I want to use the dark brown, but the medium brown should be fine. So I'm just going ahead and cut the lace. I'm not doing anything special to this lace. I'm just literally cutting it. As far as jagging it and making it rigid and all of that, I'm not really too concerned about how I cut this lace, because this is legit just a lace part. I'm not trying to get a hairline effect with this. I'm not trying to get any of that with this. So I am just cutting the lace. There's no rocket science to it, okay? So what y'all got planned coming up, like, for the rest of the year? I know this whole year been all messed up and funky. Did y'all go trick-or-treating? Did you take the kids trick-or-treating? I don't know. It's just, everything just got canceled, and I feel so bad for these little kids. All right, guys, so I just cut it. Nothing serious. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on my head. I already have my wig grip on because I already filmed a video earlier today. So if you see this shirt twice, don't be a hater. So I'm gonna put this wig on. Okay, this cap feels a little smaller. This cap doesn't feel that big. I hate the fact that when they kind of downgrade a wig, like they downgrade the cap, they downgrade everything. Like, give me the same cap. Give me the same cap that you gave me on the other wig. Wow, this is super cute. So I'm just adjusting. I think we might have a dupe. I think we might have a little sister that's looking for attention here. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and put some powder in this parting space. I'm also going to go ahead and look at this in my mirror, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I am back. I'm back. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow, I was not expecting all of this from this little Miss KIMORA. First of all, I thought it was gonna be that silky classic Outre texture, which is fine, but I was not expecting a yaki wig. this is a yucky wig. I like this wig. You know what? All I did, guys, was go in with a little bit of powder. I caught a small V right here, and that's it. So this absolutely does feel like a Kimora dupe to me. Now, as far as getting a hairline, you're not gonna get that, sis. You ain't gonna get that. You gonna get a look. You gonna get the look with the lace part, okay? I'm loving these little curls right here. I'm loving this barrel effect right here. This is straighter, which is fine, but you know, it's kind of like you get the curl, 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 and then it's just a little bit straighter. But if it's too straight, you can always cut it. I'll probably cut it like right here, but I'm really liking this. This is what she's looking like in the back. Okay, coming down to my butt. She's super pretty, y'all. Like, this is a great put on your head wig. I didn't melt anything. I didn't do anything. Like, this is my, hey baby, we about to go get some drinks. Okay, hold on. Hold on, let me go in the bathroom real quick, put on some makeup, and boom, put my wig on. I'm ready. This is one of those signature wigs. You need this wig. You need this wig in your collection. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I love a wig that I can just put on my head and be ready, because sometimes I be fighting with these wigs. Me and these wigs be fighting. We be fighting. And by the time I'm done, I got an attitude. But man, you just put this wig on your head and you gonna be good. You know what, y'all? I got a surprise for y'all. Y'all wanna know what the surprise is? I got a surprise. Ah, we got a ginger brown. Hercules. Alright, y'all, so this is a surprise. So we have the ginger brown. I went ahead and picked up both colors. I ain't tell y'all initially. I know I cheated. But yeah, we got the ginger. I ain't cheat. Y'all saw it in the thumbnail. Damn it. So yes, we have the ginger brown. This color, I had to go ahead and pick up this color because she was a famous color with Kamiyah, and I saw they had it in this one, so I went ahead and picked it up. I do wish she kind of had a dark root right here, but it's okay. It's a very pretty color for this time of year. This one, I'm noticing that the curls are a little looser, but you know what? That's what I notice on these colors, guys. Sometimes these colors, it's just different. Like, sometimes the wigs it's just different. Like right here, you see how it's a little straighter, but it's fine. You just luff her up a little bit, or go ahead and put her in some hot water and she gonna be okay. This color is beautiful. This is gorgeous. This is very, very, very nice. And also too, guys, speaking of surprises, so because ginger brown was so famous, I went ahead and did something. I think I was drinking that day or something. I don't know what I was doing, but I went ahead and picked up another color. I know this wig is very affordable, but I said I want to give back to you guys. Y'all been so good to me. We got a lot of new friends joining the team recently, you know, K-team. I don't know what we gonna call us over here, but I went ahead and picked up another extra ginger brown. So bam, that's what we doing over here on this channel. We gonna go ahead and give another giveaway, because that's how I'm feeling right now. I feel really blessed. I feel really good. I want y'all to feel good too, okay? So, same rules. So the rules for this giveaway, I want to know how people are holding up right now through this whole 2020. What has been the highlight of your year? What have you done positively throughout the year? What are you doing to keep your mind right in 2020? I want to know how you're staying positive, how you're staying kind of sane. What are you doing to keep that smile on your face? Do that. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Comment down below and you will be entered in the giveaway. Just like that. Just like that. Very simple. I will announce the giveaway winner in a week. I probably will announce it on my community tab and on my Instagram, so make sure you're following me there at Miss Khrissy. So I really do like this wig. I feel like the texture on this one is pretty much the same. She's thick, y'all. She yacky. She got that yak, and I'm here for it. I like it. But all I did, y'all, was go in with a wig grip and a little bit of spray right here, and we ready to leave the house. Just like that. Let me know which color was your favorite. Also, y'all know I sell my wigs. You don't know? Check the description box. Y'all gotta read the description box. I'll be leaving stuff down there for y'all. But yeah, I do sell my wigs, so check that out. If you like my contacts, These are Daisy Brown. I do have another contact call coming up for you guys too. That's pretty much it. Until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.